been to the Galaxy Homes meet today. The first time hearing out at least out of 1,000 presentations plus for all rich developers in India, big brands. This is the first presentation. It shouldn't be called as a presentation, but a learning experience, especially from a guy who has invested, made India proud in the UK. That it was totally technical, explaining how much interest rate you gain, what is the rental yield, how the world differs from us, how property investments can be the next gen. It can really do many more things, and at the end of the day, you are not in some fantasy investment. This is the mother soil, the earth is with you, and at the end of the day, you can smell it, you can stay with her, you can do everything. And really, this is the way you do a presentation, and really overrun with the lovely ambience you're living in. Thank you so much. Thank you.